Welcome, amazing one. And let's solve this beautiful geometry puzzle together. We are given a square that measures 2 units, and inscribed are 4 identical quarter circles. These are the quarter circles, and the question is asking us to find the perimeter of the shaded shape. You see the shaded shape. Now, how do you do that? It's just so easy. Let me take you through that step by step. Now, for us to find the perimeter, remember, perimeter is simply the distance around the shape. And the shape we are talking about is this shape. Did you see? So we want to find the distance around this shape, this one. So how do we do that? You observe that if this is a quarter circle, this is the arc of it. And it means if we can get the perimeter of this length, the perimeter of this one, the perimeter of this, and then of this, it gives us the perimeter of the shape that is shaded. Now, how do we do that? Just remember that the perimeter of a full circle is always 2 pi r. But because it's a quarter circle, just divide it by 4. And with this, we have it that this gives us, remember, they are 4 identical, so they have the same perimeter. So in that case, this place is 2 pi r divided by 4, this length, and this length is 2 pi r divided by 4. This length is 2 pi r divided by 4, and this is also 2 pi r divided by 4. So to get the perimeter for the 4 of them is going to be this perimeter we have stated multiplied by 4, since they are equal and they will have the same radius. So if you do that, this takes off. We have it that the perimeter is 2 pi r. Now the question is, how do we find the radius of this quarter circle? The radius is simply, remember, when you draw your quarter circle, this is your circle and this is the center. If you divide this circle into 4 parts, this gives you the quarter circle, and this is the center. So if you bring this shape out, this place becomes the center. And if you go back here, you observe that this is the center of this quarter circle. And if this is the center, this length becomes the radius of the quarter circle, and this is also the radius of this. And remember that the total length has been given as 2. And you notice that these two lengths are equal. From here to here is equal with this. So divide 2 by 2 to get, if you do that, it means that this length is 1 and this is 1. So that the total length gives us 2 units. So if the radius is 1, quickly substitute it. And that gives us that the perimeter of that shape is 2 pi multiplied by 1. And when you do that, the perimeter gives us 2 pi as an answer. Then if you can get you can also get the pi value from the calculator, and perimeter will be approximately, so we have it that the perimeter will be approximately 6.283 units as an answer. And I hope you learned something. Let's know how much. Like, share. I'll also be curious to see your own method. Thank you for choosing to learn through us. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.